What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the GOULD'S Gaming and Tech channel. We have a special treat for you guys. I have two brand new cases sent to me by Ghostek. Yes, Ghostek, they are the sponsors of this video. Thank you to Ghostek for sending these two cases through, and I really like these cases. Outside of them sending it through, actually using these cases, feeling them, walking around with them for a bit, I actually genuinely like these cases. But I'm not just gonna keep the love for myself. I'm gonna share the love with you guys. If you use my Ghostek link in the description below, when you make your next purchase, you will get a 15% off on your next purchase. If you see this review and you say, man, I like these cases. These cases, they look nice. They look like they feel nice. They might protect my phone really well. Make sure to use that link in the description below. And then also along with that link, you can use my promo code. It's GOULD'S Gaming and Tech. So it's GOULD'S _gaming _and _tech 15. It will give you that 15% off. I'm hyped for this. I'm hyped for this because I've heard of Ghostek. I've seen their products and I've never like reached out or actually used them. So this was a treat for me to get these sent through Ghostek. So again, thank you to Ghostek. Spidey, you already know what's coming. If you're new to the channel and this content is helpful, you appreciate it, you're going to use that link in the description. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated as well. So let's get into it. Right now, we're going to start on the back real quick because I read all these things and I tested all these things and they are true to what I say. MagSafe wireless charging capability. That is definitely a must. HD clear back. It does have this like frosted border on this one. This one just like a matte black. But again, the back is clear. You do have the MagSafe right here, like it says. Diamond grip. So I don't know what diamond grip means, but all I know is when I hold it, it feels good. That's all I know. All right, raised camera lip is definitely raised. It would have been cool to get like the actual cutout of each individual camera lens, but whatever. Pish posh, tomato, tomato. Detailed cutouts, you're gonna check that as well. No slip grip, that is true. It does not slip when I grip it. Crazy, I know, crazy. And you get this lifetime warranty. So if something craps out about your Ghostek case, you just hit Ghostek up, say, hey, something happened. It got broken or whatever the case is. They got you. They're going to send you something through the mail. They're going to send it back to you. That's all. What more can you ask for? Okay. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be doing an unboxing. Not much to unbox, but I put these cases back in the boxes for you guys so you can get that freshness. But before we get into that, price. Now on the Ghostek website, these two cases in particular ranges from about $17.99, which is this one in particular. So again, you get that 15% off if you use my promo code down in the link below. You will get that 15%. Not too shabby, okay? Not too shabby for a case. My personal opinion, I like this one better. I just really love cases with that like frosted look on it, but that's just me. It could not be you, but anyways, that's just me. So we're gonna take these out and we're gonna check out the cutouts and the buttons. Spidey, make sure I'm on point with time. You know I don't like to keep people waiting. All right, so what you get in the packaging when you get it, Agent of Ghostek. Basically promo, use their hashtag Ghostek on your social media. Just let them know, hey, you appreciate their products. It's a cool little card. You get a little sticker here. I don't know if you want to stick this on something. And then right here, need instructions for your Covert 6. That's what it is. And this is the Ghostek Covert 6 MagSafe case. So we're gonna put this back in here. We won't need that. Same with this one. I'm gonna take this one out too. Same paperwork is in both of them, so no need for me to go through both of the paperworks for you guys. I have the wireless charger here, so we're gonna definitely check that out. But yes, these are the two Ghostek cases. Again, you have that like frosted border on here. I can't really show you guys through the camera, but these feel so nice in my hand. And from putting it on my phone, it feels like very secure. That's one thing I will say about this case. It feels very secure, and I like these highlighted like orangish, reddish little markers here. Just adds extra flair to the case, but it really feels good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. All right, so we got through the price. Let's get on the buttons and cutouts. So right here, you see you have cutouts for your volume switch. You have a cutout slash imprinted button or raised button, I guess, for your volume up and down rockers. And they're pretty protruded. I don't know if you guys can tell. There you go. You can see they're pretty raised, so you don't have any issues getting to that. And then it's like a little drop off right after, like right there. Then you have some like textured edges right here. I don't know if you can tell because this one's clear, but you can see the little ridges in there. There's like a textured edge right here, so that's great for the grip. And then you turn to the bottom, you have cutout for your speakers, and you have a cutout for your charging right here. And then you switch to this side, again a little bit more textured feel to the side for grip. And then you have a like cutout slash button for your Siri and power button, and it's pretty responsive. And then on the top you have nothing. It does drop off a little bit, so the cutout kind of comes down smooth across and then raises back up. And then you have that cutout for the camera bump. So as you can see on the back, the camera bump is raised as advertised, which is good. We like finding things, seeing what it says, and it's advertised for what it is, and it actually is that. Wild, I know, wild. All right, the feel. This is very like hard plasticky. Okay, from me touching it right here, it feels like it's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. As far as just, I feel like my fingerprints are on here. You might not see them though, which is the good thing about it. You might not see them, but it feels like my fingerprints are all over this thing. So if I drop this at a crime scene or something, they definitely got my fingerprints. But as far as actually seeing them, I'm touching all over this thing, and my palms, they're a little sweaty. Nothing. You don't see my fingerprints anywhere on here, which is great. That is great. You know, a lot of cases can be fingerprint magnets. The phone itself is a fingerprint magnet, but you don't see the fingerprints on here. So that's good. So we're gonna put this on really quick. I wanna do the clear one first because that's my faves. Yo, I tell you, this thing feels so nice. This feels awesome, man. The texture grip right here, most people every day you're holding your phone like this, or if you're a lefty, you're holding it like this, you know this phone is in your hand. There's no doubt about it. There's no slippage. This feels so nice. Let's test out some of the buttons. Always on display. Boom, boom. Oh, this is nice. You can hear it. Super responsive, super responsive. Let's see if I can get to my my volume switch. Yep, I can get to my volume switch, no problem. And then my volume up and down, they feel so responsive. So responsive. I do have a case that I do have issues with sometimes when it comes to getting to my controls, and it's because the buttons are flush. Let me grab it for you really quick. So this is my case I have. It's like a marshmallow looking case. You can see right here, I think this is a UAG case, but it is a good case. But as you can see, the buttons are kind of flush, or not kind of, they're very flush. Everything is flush, so sometimes it's kind of hard for me to feel where everything is and touch them, and they actually respond correctly. That's just my only complaint with this case. But this one, I have no issues with this. Now I'm gonna throw on the black one really quick so you can see. But the fit and the protection of this case is bar none. It feels great. How do you guys like the black? Which one do you like best, the black or the clear? But anyways, the fit and protection, it's good. You have these raised little bumps on each edge of the phone. You also have a raised edge, like the raised edges of the phone. So if you drop this phone on any corner or flat, and obviously on the back because the camera bump is raised, you're going to be fully protected, and that's what we're looking for. Now let's check wireless charging and MagSafe. Fits like a glove. It charges, as you can see. No issues, super responsive. Just for poops and giggles, we're gonna check the other one. Spidey, where are we at on time? Okay, I'm getting too excited. Okay, we gotta speed this up. I don't want to take too long. MagSafe on both of those. They work. The drop resistance and reliability. Now, this packaging right here, it says, where does it say? Right here, drop tested at 8 feet. Listen, I get my phone, I throw these bad boys like frisbees. Okay, one thing I am not worried about with this case is that it's gonna damage my phone if I toss it. I just get home, toss it like a frisbee. I toss it on the couch or wherever at my desk. I'm not worried about this phone popping out of this thing, and that's great. This they said 8 feet drop tested. I don't know how far I'm throwing this thing when I get home or whatever the case is, but I'm pretty sure it's further than 8 feet. But I have aim. I can throw it and hit where I'm at. But it's reliable. The drop resistance is good. And again, you have that edge control. So I'm not going to make this video too long. Oh, one more thing I did want to check while you guys were here. This space right here. Boom. You have plenty of real estate to get if you're just using an actual wired charger. You have plenty of real estate to stick this in without the case itself preventing you from sticking the charger back in. Some cases are prone to doing that, which is kind of annoying, but you will not have issues with this. So I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. Spidey, I know I'm running a little longer on time, but again, awesome case. I definitely recommend it. Outside of Ghostek even sending this, if I just bought this on my own, I would still recommend this case. Make sure you use my promo code. Again, that link will be in the description, or that code will be in the description. It's Gould_gaming_and_tech15. You get 15% off. How awesome is that? But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Oh, wait, I see a fingerprint. Oh, is that a fingerprint? No, it's not a fingerprint. I'm tripping. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Spidey, peace.